Welcome friends. In this video I am going to tell about how iterate going to be work in a string. Okay, it's very simple. How to iterate means how to print the string by help of the loops, for loop, while loop, do while loop, the loops which are generally in a Python which are going to be supported. So if I am not telling about till now the loops how it is going to be work, but it is very important, and here I will going to tell about only for loop. Okay, so first we go for the for each loop, and this is the part one function. There is a different ways you can print the string in by using the for loop, but what are the number of ways? This is the part one video. I will upcoming time there is a part two, part three videos are coming out with the different forms of the printing the string. Okay, so let's see how it is going to be work. So first you have to declare a string equal to, suppose you are not taken as a string, suppose taken as a text, equal to uh, welcome. Fine, welcome to Python. Okay, then for x in text, simple print x comma end equal to. Fine, let's print this. So here welcome to Python, it is going to be print here. Okay, if you remove the spaces, it is not given the spaces between the characters. When it is going to be print, it is simple print what is going to be written the inside the text. This is the way of the first. I will give you another example. Text equal to welcome to Lingaraj Tech Hub, and here I am going to print it in vertical form. Here it is the horizontal form it is going to be print, but here I am going to print in the vertical form. X in text colon, then print x comma. Okay, then there is no given add on this particular end. Then see what is going to be print how. So here welcome to Lingaraj TechHub with dot. It is printed in the vertical form, and here is the beginning is the word W after the end of this particular print. So if you given as the new line, okay, if you are given as the new line, then it is print double quote slash n. The next statement is going to be print after this particular statement. Okay, see welcome to Python, there is a new space, new line, and then the entire statement is going to be print. Very easy. Okay, and there is a lots of different forms to print this particular string, and the upcoming videos I will show you. Okay, small videos are coming out which will help you to understand very clear and better ways. That's why I will be creating the videos in very small form. Okay, if you have any doubt, go through the comment box, type there, and please like and share this video. Click on the bell icon, and also click the subscribe button also. And when I am going to upload any videos, you get the notifications. Thank you.